This is my journey of making 100k in only 5 months as a 16-year-old student. Today I already was in school, so that's done. I can now work on all my to-dos. I will now eat something and after that start cutting my big YouTube video. I've recorded a big video for you, how you will make 10k in only the month of November with zero start capital. So I explain everything in detail and you don't need more than this. Just take action. A thing I can't say enough is take action. Why is Iman Ghazi rich? Because he uploaded YouTube video. He stayed consistent and you can follow his whole journey. He made something. I'll now cut the video. After that, plan a bit about my agency, but this is a topic for another video. I will make a whole video about the psychology, why Iman Ghazi made so much money. Upload another TikTok. I had like a big TikTok account where I posted everything. That was the last video I really posted was 2 years ago and has 10k followers, and I'm in the creator rewards program. And I've gave this account to some of my classmates and I get 25% of every income that comes to the creator rewards program. So that could be a steady income, but I'll see. I don't know how it feels because I gave away my big account, but money is money and you have to confess something, and TikTok account isn't that big. I have their friends but no reliable friends or stuff like that. So see you later when I have something to say. Okay, I just had a call with someone and I explained him very much how he can make his first money online. If you want to have the same knowledge, just join my Discord server and we can talk. I'm such a high performer. I was so much on my PC and did push-ups and stuff like that. I like hurt my hand and I can't really move it anymore. So this video will be a short, not really informative video, but I hope you liked it. I really worked hard on the affiliate thing and let's go.